Boy, it's slow going. I should have left all the nails that were up in there on both sides so that you could see why it's so hard to get these little pieces of 2x4 out without prying too hard on the stucco behind there. And see that piece? I haven't even gotten ready to take that out. Right in there. And look at the paper there. See how it's cracked right there and it's missing? That's all because when they did the floor, up there, they didn't patch very well right in this corner, and it failed and it started leaking water. Water came down. That top plate is actually bad. I might even have to cut that back. I'm not sure. I might cut it back to the first 2x6 and replace that possibly. But see, it did that. It did all this damage. I had to take this 2x6 out, all this plywood, OSB plywood, and all this back here was failed right in there because of that one leak. Can you believe that? And then because it got inside this column, it all went downhill all the way down here. And then it got this all musty. Because it was so wet and musty, it traveled up and it traveled up. And look at that up there. I think all that because of this leak here. Not just because of that one leak, but that's one leak. And then it was leaking over here by the stairs, and that caused that right up in there, and it caused this here, and it caused this, and it caused that down there. I mean, just a little bit of water, man. And I don't know what they were thinking right there. That got all wet in there. They didn't patch that very well, and then it all leaked in that corner. And you saw, if you saw me remove that, before I removed it, there was a big, huge dip right in here. That's because of all the water from way up there in the column coming down, hitting that point, coming down in there, water getting on the deck, coming, hitting that corner, coming out. I mean, it's just one thing after another. It's almost comical that they did such a shitty job. Let's edit that. It's almost comical how bad they tied all of this in. Right in there it leaked right there, it leaked over there, it leaked right there, it leaked over here, it leaked right here, it leaked right there, it leaked right there, it leaked all the way down the stairs, all the way down the stairs next to the stucco. See that? And then it leaked over here all the way down the stairs at the stucco, and it leaked right here. I mean, everywhere leak. So since I'm in the thick of it, I might as well continue. I just wanted to briefly show you what damage can be caused by water. You want that paper in there because anything that leaks through the stucco wasn't supposed to be through the floor, but through the stucco. Anywhere where there was a staple possibly coming through the paper into the wood, if there was a crack in the stucco and it found its way through there, the idea is it would leak on the back side of this paper and it would come down to the next piece of paper, and it's overlapped, so the water would get back down in there and keep on going, preventing a major leak, and so forth and so on all the way down. But as we know, and I even took the particle board out down in there. That was really super tricky. There were 6 nails in my way, and I got the nails all the way down in there. They're coming across, and I cut them out with my Sawzall and a metal cutting blade and my cutters, bent it out, pulled them out. And so now I can run the OSB all the way down to this concrete level, straight across. Before I do that, I'm going to do paper up here yeah, I'm not going to explain too much about it. You're just going to have to keep watching my videos. And I put a lot of thought into this because all of this paper is going to have the staple holes in it. See them all? And by pulling that crappy OSB plywood out of there, that's kind of pulled on the staples. In some places have ripped the paper. See, that's right there where a piece of chicken wire was, and the staple was right there. See there? Look at that. That's no good, is it? We're gonna have to fix that somehow. See all these areas. Look at this up here. I mean, even if I built this all back, if water got in again somewhere through the stucco, it would come right out through here and get on the back side of the OSB and then transfer over to the front side, transfer over to the 2x6s, just like it did before, kind of. And so I've got an idea for all that, but you're going to have to just keep watching my videos for that. Yeah, that's one 2x6. Can you believe that? And I wanted to show you this up here. If I can get the glare off of here. There we go. See all those nails? All those nails right in there. That's just the one piece that I took out. What a pain. That's why it's so hard to get these pieces out, so I have to cut them small because I can't fit up in there very well. And I use my nail puller and try to split the 2x6 in half going up. And I can only pry on this so much because the stucco is only 1/2 inch thick, 5/8 thick. And I just don't want to crack that. I'm trying not to crack that. The thing's swaying a little bit. When I push on this, when I get up there and pry, I can feel it go doing. It's not going to fall. I don't think it's going to fall over. I got the that half wall going down the stairs. That's kind of holding it, and the stairs are attached to the stucco wall over here. And that's kind of holding that wall. And so, yeah, I'm trying to be like a little beaver, chewing out little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit, little bit. And I'm glad I am, because that whole piece was dry rotted, and all this stuff, all the plywood underneath that was like that too. And I need to get that whole piece of plywood out from left to right, because that's all water damaged, so I can put a new piece up there. I'm basically going to build the box. Once I get all this stuff out, I'm going to build the box from the inside out, trying not to disturb the stucco. Yeah, usually you don't have to go to that much effort when taking out dry rot, but now you can see what I'm up against. And your job might be easier, it might be about the same, and you can say, hey, you know what? If Joe can do it, I can do it. Ooh-wee, another day is done. Look at all of that stuff. I got that out from up in there, just up to there. Oh. Well, another day is done. There's my 2x6. Can you believe that? Right there, piece by piece, I got it down, and that's the OSB plywood that was up there, and I only got it up there so far. I still have to get up there. Oh, the sun's playing havoc on me. I still got to get up there later and take all that down. I'm beat. It took me forever just getting that bit right there. And so, yeah, I didn't even have time to build the platform. But I've got I've got an idea on how I want to build that platform now to get all the way up in there and stuff, and I'm going to use this stuff right here. And that'll be another day, another video just for you.